Hello students, welcome to e-classes of PN Emerson High School. We will continue with our chapter number 3, how many squares? Question number 10. A rectangle of 8 square centimeter is given below. Draw two straight lines and divide the rectangle into one small rectangle and two equal triangles. Find and write the area of the new shapes formed. So students, in this question, a rectangle of 8 square centimeter is given. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the rectangle is of 8 square centimeter. We have to draw two straight lines to divide the rectangle into one small rectangle and two equal triangles. Here in this rectangle, we have to draw two straight lines, so that we get one small rectangle and two equal triangles. And we have to find and write the area of the new shape so formed. Now solution for question number 10. Here a figure of rectangle with 8 square centimeter area was given in the question. We have to draw two straight lines to divide this rectangle, and we have to make one small rectangle and two equal triangles. So students, you can see here I have drawn one straight line here and the other here. I have drawn two straight lines and divided the rectangle into one small rectangle and two equal triangles. Now we have to find out area of the new rectangle, area of triangle 1 and area of triangle 2. Find out first the area of new rectangle. Here length of this is a new rectangle which we formed by drawing a straight line. Here the length of the rectangle is 1 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Now area of new rectangle. Length is equals to 1 centimeter, breadth is equals to 2 centimeter. Area of new rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 1 and breadth is 2 centimeter. By multiplying 1 and 2, we get 2 square centimeter as the area of the new rectangle. Now we have to find out area of triangle 1 and triangle 2. As it is given in the question that we have to draw two equal triangles. So we can find out the area of any of these triangle, the area of both the triangles is equal. Here again what we will do is we will count how many whole squares, more than half squares and less than half squares are given. Here you can see this is triangle number 1 and this is triangle number 2. You can calculate area of any of the triangle as both have same area. See here, if we count whole squares, we have one whole square. This is more than half square, so we will put a cross. This is less than half square, we will put a dot over here. This is also less than half square. And this is more than half square. So in triangle 1 we have one whole square, two more than half squares and two less than half squares. Now we have to find area of triangle 1. Area of whole square, as we have counted that there were one whole square in that triangle number 1. So by multiplying 1 by 1 we get 1 centimeter square. Area of more than half square, there were two more than half squares. So we will consider more than half squares as whole square. So we will multiply 2 by 1, we will get 2 centimeter square. An area of less than half squares, there were two less than half squares and we have to ignore less than half squares. So we will multiply it by 0, 2 zeros is 0. So area of triangle 1 is 3 square centimeter. We will get area of triangle 1 by adding area of whole square, that is 1 centimeter square, and area of more than half square, that is 2 centimeter square. By adding 2 and 1 we get 3 square centimeter. As it was mentioned in the question that after dividing the rectangle, we will get one small rectangle and two equal triangles. So the area of triangle 2 is also of 3 square centimeter, as both the triangles were of equal measurement. So now area of triangle 1 is 3 square centimeter, area of triangle 2 is 3 square centimeter, and area of new rectangle is 2 square centimeter. By adding 3 plus 3 plus 2, we will get 8 square centimeter. The area of the original rectangle was 8 square centimeter. We have divided the rectangle into 3 parts, one new rectangle and 2 equal triangles. So here also we will write area of new rectangle is equals to 2 square centimeter, area of triangle 1 is equals to 3 square centimeter, and area of triangle 2 is 3 square centimeter. Student, try to solve question number 11 by yourself. Question number 12. Find and write the area of the shaded part of the shapes given below. Here 2 shapes are given. We have to write the area of the shaded part. Consider 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Sum number A of question number 12. Here students, you can see a shape is given. We have to find out the area of this shaded part. As I have explained you earlier, first to find out the area of the shaded part, we have to find out how many whole squares, more than half squares and less than half squares are there. So you can see in this shaded part only whole squares are there. So we'll put a tick mark on the whole squares. Now you can see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 whole squares. As I have explained you earlier that we will consider whole squares as 1. So we will multiply 4 by 1. So by multiplying 4 by 1 we will get 4 square centimeter as the area of this shaded part. Now sum number B of question number 12. Here also again we have to count how many whole squares, half squares and more than half squares and less than half squares are there. So we'll put a tick mark on the whole squares. So you can see that there are 1, 2 and 3 whole squares. We will put a dot on half squares. So now there are 1, 2 and 3 half squares. Now we will calculate the area of this shaded part. Area of shaded part. Area of whole square is equals to 3, as we have counted earlier that there were 3 whole squares. So we will multiply it by 1. So 3 ones are 3. So the area of whole square is 3 centimeter square. Area of half squares. We have counted there were 3 half squares. So we will multiply it by half. How much we will get by multiplying 3 by half? We will do the calculation here. 3 multiplied by half. First we will multiply 3 by 1. 3 ones is 3. We will divide it by 2. Now we will divide 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2. By subtracting 2 from 3 we will get 1. Now we can't divide 1 by 2. So what we will do? We will put a decimal here and place a 0 over here. Now the number is 10. Now we can divide 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10. By subtracting 10 from 10 we get 0 as a remainder. So area of half square is equals to 1.5 centimeter square. Now area of shaded part. To find out the area of shaded part we have to add area of whole square and area of half squares. By adding 3 centimeter squares and 1.5 centimeter squares we will get area of shaded part. Here you can see area of whole square is 3 centimeter square and area of half square is 1.5 centimeter square. As the number was only 3 and here the number is with decimal 1.5, so we will put a decimal and we will write 0 over here. Now by adding 0 and 5 we will get 5, and by adding 3 and 1 we will get 4. Put a decimal point here. So the area of shaded part is equals to 4.5 centimeter square. Here also we will write the area of the shaded part is 4.5 4.5 square centimeter. Student, try to solve question number 13 and test yourself. Choose the correct alternative by yourself. With this, we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.